Hey, this is Jay of DeFi Journey. Got a video for you today on how to make some profits on Circle. So Circle has been really hot. This is an hour chart for this. And so it's only been out since beginning of June. And it's pretty volatile. So with volatility comes risk, but also there's some opportunities. So just want to go over this and how you can set up a simple strategy to make this make money on using some options trading. So first one is set up that you can use this strategy for any number of things. So what we're going to do, let me show you how. So I just got Circle on the hourly, and I'm going to erase this indicator. That's just the RSI. So we go to indicators, and we're going to do the PMAR. So this right here, reverse PMR and PMARP. Because that's got more of a history. So we go to Bitcoin, and you see you got this indicator where you want to basically buy in the blue, which means its price action is usually exhausted, and then you can sell more when you get above this range. I have this marked out at like 80, 85. And so I like this because it has lots of different things, indicators to show for price action. So same thing here. I use this for trading Bitcoin or alts, usually for perps, but I've been starting to use this for Circle because Circle's got some volatility, being very brand new, and so you can't do much here on the hourly. So I'm going to go down to the 15-minute, which is why I use this more for anyway. And so same thing here. Come down here, and you're buying, and we are definitely in an uptrend. If you look at this, just like on the daily, up. 4 hourly up, hourly up. So go on the 15, and so you can look for here. So what we'll do is I'll show you. So got my Robinhood account. I'll go to Circle, and right here. So we are already up 10% today. So you're looking for an option trade here. So what we can do is Circle, so we got Circle, and so this is still looking pretty good. You can do all your lines or whatnot. So like here, so you want to break out maybe. But the same thing here. So what I like to do is follow this, and usually it's pretty solid of following the white. We can even go down to 5 minutes. And you look at the 5 minute, we're getting pretty close to being exhausted. But same thing, this is up, and so I am looking to buy. So what I'm going to do is here. So we got 220. We can do some more things too about get the lines here. We got support here, or resistance here, support, and then right there. So I'm looking at this. I'm looking maybe it comes up to 244. Within either this week, next week. I think that's pretty safe. Very rarely do you get just like a one topper and come down. And you can also Bitcoin's pumping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for 244. So we trade options. So what I'm going to do is go to next week. I don't want to go further than that. I think there's enough volatility for everything. And so I want to look at the strike price and the break-even price. So what we said here, 244. I think it hits that at least. And so I can go here, like pay for this one here, 227, because I want to pay attention to the break even. But like it's already up 100% today, so if I feel good about that, I can do that. I think that's pretty solid. So we're gonna do that. And the thing is though, like this option, your risk tolerance is gonna cost about $1,500. So granted, I can sell it, or even if it starts to retrace, but also there's a lot of potential for upside. So like I like the look of this, so I'm gonna buy it. And same thing here. So you got the bid. There's a pretty big spread there, 1460 to 1580. So I'm gonna put it in. Let's just do 15. Split the difference, 1520. Order, submit. And it was filled. Okay, so filled. and then you just wait. So I'm looking to close this either, even though it's there, I'm looking to close this probably either tomorrow or early next week with everything. So it's going on. But that's how, it's a strategy right there. You can use this strategy, the PMRP, lots of different things, like Bitcoin, Solana, wherever you feel like you got a good strategy. So please test it, back test it out. This is not financial advice, but I like to use this for alts. Something I feel like is coming to a good buy zone, like Atom here. I'm not looking to buy it here yet. We're under $4, but Bitcoin's been in a strong uptrend. I like the look of it here. So so steal the strategy, use it for whatever you want. But thanks for checking us out. Please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know what else you'd like to see. So see you in the next one.